Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of 52 Week Challenge 2020. People do ask me that how can I get results? How can I get numbers? How can I get the outcome? And my answer is you have to put action. Now, till now you have already been dreamt big. You have made your goals. You have a good planning and you have a belief factor. Now only one thing and important thing is left is to put actions. Yes guys, without actions nothing is going to happen. Nothing and means nothing, and action speaks louder than words. Okay guys, well done is always better than well said. You can motivate people by saying good things, but until and unless they don't put the action, nothing is going to come out. Okay, so we are going to talk about actions. Guys, every action causes reaction, okay, and every action give you result. Okay, satisfaction come from action, distraction come from action, transaction do happen with action, interaction do happen with action, attraction is all because of action. So guys, you will see that those great words which give you result or which give you output do have action into that. Okay, so we are going to talk about actions. How important is the action? Now people ask me that why we are not getting great results and why others are getting great results. I am very positive mental attitude person. I have a great ethics. I have a nice discipline. But let me tell you, how about your organizer? What your daily routine is saying? Your daily routine is saying that you're not putting actually the actions into the planning. Okay, so you have to plan your day, you have to plan your month, you have to plan your year, and you have to think about it, how you can put your actions every single day and every single moment, because actions are going to give you great results. Guys, if you want to discover who you are, you have to start putting actions, and your actions will define who you really are. So your actions are going to put away so many things which are going in your mind process, which are going in your thoughts. Okay, now question is that why people don't put desired actions? Why don't people put the actions which they are supposed to do? What is the reason? There are three major reasons. The first major reason why people don't put action is that they have a negative feeling. All the time they have negative feeling. So they have a great dream, goal, plan, but they don't have a belief factor. And before putting a single step, one step, they think 100 times, and all 100 times they think negatively. So this is the first major reason why people don't take desired step. Second major reason is that people don't have proper planning. They are not having the planning. They don't know what to do, because if you have a great planning, everything is perfect, your timings, your date, action, resources, everything, then action taking is very simple. Just think about it. How the people making movies, big movies are being made across the globe. Bollywood movies are famous across everywhere. How they make it? So they make everything perfect. They make the planning. First they see what destination they have to choose for the shooting. Then they go for the lyrics. Then they go for the makeup. Then they go for the story, everything. And when everything is ready, lights, camera, everything is ready, then they say action. So when everything is ready, it is easy to take action. But if you don't have everything ready, you cannot take action. And that's the problem, because we people don't plan. We fail to plan, but we don't plan to fail, and automatically we fail. So this is the important thing, to do the proper planning. Third important thing which I think is that people are waiting for the perfect moment. Okay, everything they want to do, they want to start, they know results will come, but they are waiting for the perfect moment. Okay, some people believe in something, I don't know, I don't want to say that luck, the attitude, the stars and all those things, I don't believe in that. All I want to say is that Don't believe in the perfect moment. Don't wait for that perfect moment. The perfect moment is today and now. Just put your action with your positive thoughts. I'm telling you, you are going to surprise yourself with the results. Guys, action change things. ACT. Okay, so act now, because today, wherever you are, whatever you have achieved is all because of the actions you put for last 5 years. Okay, and today what you're going to decide will decide where you will be after 5 years. So put your actions every single day with positive thoughts, without thinking that what results you're going to get, because results are bound to come if you put your actions into it. Guys, imperfect action is much better than perfect inaction. I believe in taking actions. I don't care of imperfection results. Okay, those we can correct. Guys, there are 3 major reasons why you should be putting actions. First thing is that actions make you motivated. Yes, you feel motivated because you have achieved something. Okay, I don't care how much percentage you achieved, how much level you have achieved, but there is a sense of achievement of even little make you happy. Out of 100%, even if you achieve 30%, 20%, 5%, or even 1%, you feel motivated. Second important reason is that you stay tuned to your goals. Okay, so you're not getting distracted, you're not getting defocused, you are always concentrated towards your goal, and you know that yes, this is something I'm working on. And because actions create, it's a chain of reaction, you know. Once you put action, you know that what is the next action. When you do that action, then you come to know about the next action. So when you create actions, so you are reaching towards your goal, you can stay yourself focused. Third important thing is that you always can take the feedback from your actions. Okay, unless until you don't put the actions, you don't understand that how much I have achieved from my goal. So you can measure it, and once you can measure it, you can take the feedback and you can make the corrections for your upcoming actions. So action is something important to do for these 3 reasons. Guys, the last thing I want to tell, that what you can do, only say that, and whatever you have said, always do it, because your words should not contradict to your actions. Okay, and if it is contradicting, your words will not have any meaning. So guys, this is all about today's episode, and I'm Vinod Tiwari from Abu Dhabi, UAE. See you next Friday 7 p.m. And if these all information are worth to you, subscribe to my channel.